Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexia Leanne if this is your very first time here. So you know on this channel I tend to do different things. Today I have an unboxing. Guess what it is? Probably already know what it is. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, you know, so you won't miss anything. Got lots of content coming for you guys. Just, you never know what it is until you subscribe. So y'all, just had a birthday. Got a gift, and guess what it's from? Louis Vuitton. It's always different to me when you get something from Louis Vuitton because you never know what it is. You never know what someone's going to pick out for you. And then it's like, was that on my wish list? Can I check that off now? Or not? So y'all, I got this piece and here it is. So guys, this is the Louis Vuitton. This is the Dragonne key holder. Now this is how this looks. Kind of really want you guys to see it. It's in monogram. Has the LV on the tag, things like that. So I really like this. Of course I really like it because it's monogrammed. It's a piece that I do not have in my collection. So I love it. And it was on my wish list, so someone has been paying close attention to what I like. So in the inside of this, if you kind of do like this, it kind of tells you where it's from. So this piece was, obviously it's, you know, Louis Vuitton Paris. That's all Louis Vuitton pieces say that. But this is made in Italy. So this is my first Italy piece. Y'all, I don't know, since I've been on this rampage of buying Louis Vuitton anyway, now I kind of see, like, all of it says Louis Vuitton Paris. Took me a minute to get that. But it's like, I guess where it says it's made from. So like I said, this one's made in Italy. I have a couple that's actually made in France, majority of those. And like when I first started buying Louis Vuitton, I mean, I guess we don't pay attention to it, or I didn't. But like my Speedy, it was made in the USA. And things like that. So it's always pretty cool to kind of know where it originated from. Like I said, but this is the monogram. I really do like this piece. It's so simple, obviously. Just attach it to basically maybe like your key fob or something. Want to add a little status to it. It has this little clip thing that you take apart to put it on there. Really not going to put my keys on there because I always break my nails. Always have to let like my dad open it up for me so I can slide things on here because I'm always breaking nails, always hurting myself. Then I'm always aggravated with the part of it's not going on there like I want it to. But y'all, this is how it looks again. So your keys do look beautiful on there. It's just a strap. So I can put like my fob on there. I will be doing that. I can use my 6 key holder, my key pouch. You know, I can all alternate these different things so it won't wear and tear so much. Hopefully that I really will get a good use out of this. Like I said, it just adds basically like some jewelry to your keys. So it retails for $315. So guys, if you need a good Christmas gift or something, not wanting something really expensive, but see if they can afford this, and you know, like I said, it's really a nice piece. A nice small leather good. I'm really into those type of things right now with these small leather goods. I'm trying to see what else I want, add it to my list. So might get something for Christmas, you know, things like that. So you guys, this pretty much sums up today's video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, yada yada yada, you know, things like that. If you like this type of content, then comment below. Let me know what else you like to see on this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video because I think I hear my dog barking and he won't hush. So I gotta go check on him, but bye guys.